Hey, stop rebuilding every week. Effort resets. Systems compound. Most people are trapped in production loops. They work hard, they finish something, then they start over again. Nothing stacks. That's because effort without systems erases itself. I know you've seen it. You might have an event or something like that, and you built this beautiful video and things like that, and you might get a few likes, a few comments, a good surge of interaction, but then you have to create another one. And the cycle repeats itself over and over and over again. How can you start to think, how can you create assets that build on top of each other to establish your authority? A scalable system creates three things that I want to share with you. First are assets. Work becomes reusable authority instead of disappearing output. Second is leverage. Less effort actually creates more impact. And third, continuity. Progress moves forward without resetting. When systems exist, work stacks. But on the contrary, when systems are missing, work evaporates. You're busy, but nothing accumulating. And that's the difference. Now I'm going to share something with you that you probably haven't heard before. It kind of goes against the idea of working harder to make more. Leaders don't scale by working harder. They design systems for accumulation. See, the key is systems create leverage, and leverage protects effort. Let me say that again. Systems create leverage, and leverage protect effort. Let me say that one more time. Systems create leverage, and leverage protects effort. So what does that mean for you? If you want to scale, you must stop rebuilding and start architecting, because your progress should carry forward and not fizzle out. And you might be asking, well, how do I get started? Or how do I do that? And that's why the Brand Roadmap sessions exist, to design scalable infrastructure, assets over activity, leverage over hustle, forward motion without resets, just architecture that stores progress. But if you're still in the exploration phase of your brand development, continue through the Build Authority playlist to complete the authority foundation.